Hello viewers, welcome to today's video. My name is Wisdom Sunday. Last week we posted a video where we explained all the processes involved in the new Canada Home Caregiver Pilot program. We explained all the steps from A to Z about what those that wants to apply for these programs needs to do. So we've also gotten some feedback from people saying they need more explanations as to different category of the options needed. So in today's video, I'm going to show you on a system how to get these 4 basic requirements, which are the senior secondary certificate evaluation. Number 2 is the language test for English or French. Number 3 is your job experience shown in your CV and cover letter. We are going to show you a proper CV that is required in Europe or Canada. And we're going to show you a very bad CV that shouldn't be used. We're also going to show you a sample of a cover letter that you can use in your job applications. Then we'll show you also the kind of trainings you need to have that you can include in your CV to back up your claim and experiences. Working as a home care support worker in Canada requires you to have some basic important training. So we are going to show you those trainings today. Then we are going to also show you some job sites where you can actually go and look for jobs yourself. Then also at the end of this video, if you feel you are not confident enough to do all this yourself, we also have a package where you can reach out to our office and someone will support you and show you what to do according to all the steps. So if you're joining me for the first time, this is where we share information about university vlog, traveling, life as an immigrant abroad. So kindly like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get notifications and whenever we post new videos. Also share this video so that other people will see what we are doing. All right, then if you are seeing this on Facebook or TikTok or Twitter, kindly use the link on my bio to go to our YouTube channel where you see the bigger video. This is just a short clip that is posted on Facebook, Twitter and TikTok. So let's dive into this video. If you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button just on your screen and follow us so you see all other of our videos. So number 1, we are going to look at the senior secondary school diploma or secondary certificate for this application, like the WAEC or NECO. But if you are from Southeast Asia, you are going to use your senior secondary certificate according to your country or your A levels. But the thing is that you won't use your certificate like that to apply for a visa. So you need to get your certificate assessed by these world assessing bodies or evaluation bodies. We have so many of them, like we have the WES, we have the NACIS, we have AICE, we have ACCTIS in the UK. But since this is a Canada application, we recommend you using WES. WES is based in Canada, so it's easier to share information from WES to the Canada Home Office. So I'm going to show you now on the system how to apply for a WES verification. Okay, so let's go to the system. So this is WES platform is WES.org. When you enter this on the website, you just go to your Google, type it WES.org. So when it opens, you will see this beautiful lady here. This is their homepage. So accept the cookie option. Then it will ask you if you want to, which country you want to evaluate. You say Canada, select Canada. Then it will give you just 3 options. These two options, the one you have to select is the middle option. All right. The first one is not for you. The second one is the one you are going to select where you upload your documents. Okay. So when you click that, it will open another screen where you are going to put your email address. So when you put your email address, then you start the registration. So it would like you to sign up to the platform, put your e-name, put your surname, put your international passport, then upload the document you want to be accessed, that you want them to access. So that's what this page is. On this point, you just type your email, the email where you want to receive the evaluated document after they finished, or the email you want them to use to communicate back to you. So that's what you put on this port, your email. When you do that, you go ahead, then you can register properly on the platform. So at the end of the platform, you will upload that document you want them to access, then you make a payment before them to send it to you. Welcome back. The second option is the standardized language tests. We have so many standardized language tests one can take for this program. We have the IELTS, we have the TOEFL, we have the PTE. So any of these language tests you are taking, you must have a score, an average score of 4, equivalent to Canadian language testing system. So we are going to use IELTS for this explanation. So if you are writing an IELTS, which have 4 basic modules, the reading, writing, listening, and reading, writing, listening, and one other one. So you're going to make sure you score an average of 4, and none of them goes below 4 in each module. So you can have 5 or 6 or thereabouts, and that will be very fine. And if you are going to write this, you are not going to write the academic module, you are going to write the general module, which is used for work, not for studies. Okay, you are going to write the general module. That's the one you are going to write. So let me show you the IELTS exam you are going to register for. Let's go to the system again so that I'll show you the one you are going to register. So this is the IELTS website. Just write IELTS website, British Council. You see it on Google, then you select that option. When it opens, you scroll down, you see IELTS General, IELTS Academic, IELTS for UK visas. So you go for this third option. Sorry, you go for the second option, the one that says IELTS General. Even if you click the third one, you still select either academic or general. So go for the general option. All right. Then it will open another window where you pick the country where you want to write it. If it's Nigeria, select Nigeria. When you select it, it will show all the centers in Nigeria, either Abuja or Lagos or Port Harcourt. If you want Port Harcourt, where our office is, then it will bring out an available month calendar. Then you select a particular period you want to write. You can just select like 2 dates on the calendar. Like I'm selecting one on 14th and the other on 28th. Then I will now search. If you click search, it will bring you all the available test dates within that period you've selected. So you now look for anyone that is convenient for you. Well, the exam is of 2 types. There is the one listening, speaking, and all that. And there is speaking differently. Listening, reading, and writing is different. Then the speaking is done differently. So scroll down, look at the date that is convenient for you. If that date is not convenient for you, you can go back again. If you don't like the city or country, you can change the country to maybe something else. Search. If you don't have the exam in your country, it will tell you here So put the country that is closer to you. Once you put it, like Egypt, it will show you also the centers where they have in Egypt. Repeat the same thing. This is for people that are not from Nigeria. So let's assume you're from Egypt. You can select Egypt, pick a city you want to write that is closer to you or closest to you, and pick a date. So let's go back to the Nigerian figures. So go back to Nigeria, select Abuja, then pick a period where we want to write the test. So I can pick from 8 to 28. And then click search. It will give us all the dates available within this period. Right? Then you can scroll down and now pick a particular one that's convenient for you. Then this box will open where you put your email and also your passport and everything. You make your payment and it is booked. Number 3 in the list is your CV and cover letter. So to be able to apply for a job in Canada, you need a standardized CV and a very good cover letter to be able to stand out, because it's going to be competitive. That is just the fact. You're not the only one applying for these jobs, so you need to stand out from the crowd. So we are going to show you an example of a proper standardized CV, or we call it Europa CV, and also a proper standardized cover letter that someone should be able to use. We're also going to show you a very bad CV that is not acceptable. So when you look at the CV that we have, we are going to show you, make sure you transform yours to be in that format, okay? Then if you can't do this on yourself, you can reach out to us for support with doing your CV. It's simple to do, but some people might not have the time and all that, so just reach out to us so we can assist you. Just chat this WhatsApp number on the description box. Our team can assist you with a fee to prepare your CV as you like it. Then so we are going to look at the Europa CV in the system. When you go to Google, type create your Europa CV, you see these options. You click this second one. When you click it, this will open. If this opens, just scroll down, see what is there, how to create a good CV. This Europa website is the standardized CV that is used in the Western world. You know, it contains all the sections that are required by them. So you can come here, click to sign up, put your email, put your name. After everything, you create an account. All right. So when you create an account, you now log in with your account you just created as you click sign up. So you can change your language. If you're not an English speaker, you can change it to any language you prefer, and this website will automatically change. But if it's English, will number 4 on the list is for you to be able to show experiences that you've, because this pathway is for people that already have home care experience. They are not for new starters. So for you to be able to show that you've got this experience needed for this job role, you are supposed to show, number 1, a very good recommendation letter from the job experiences in your CV. Then you're supposed to also show that you've got the required international trainings for home caregivers or home support workers. One of these specialized trainings are the care certificates. This care certificate has 15 modules in it, so you are supposed to have at least a care certificate to show that you understand what you're doing and you have the standardized training to do it. Then in addition to that, you're supposed to also have 2 more important trainings, or 3. One is the first aid training. Sometimes some companies care certificate trainings also have first aid inside, so if you are selecting any care certificate training, make sure it has the first aid training inside it. Then you're also going to have food handling training. Food handling training is also among part of the care certificate training. but some companies don't have it. So make sure the one you're registering for has a food handling training inside. Then you're supposed to also have the medication administration training, because if you're supporting someone in their homes, you might be supporting with giving them their medication or any other thing like that. So you need to be trained on how to handle and administer medication competently and confidently. Then you should also have the basic life support training. It's called BLS. Basic life support training is a training that you have so you know what to do when someone is distressed, not breathing or something. What do you do pending when the emergency services arrive? That's what the BLS training is for. So we have included some job links on this video, which you can have a look at. These websites. They are major Canada job websites where you can go. If you go there, search for home care support worker roles, search for personal support worker roles, search for home carer roles. If you put Canada on the location, you put these three. So I hope we have exhausted so much more about this Canada caregiver pilot program, so you are equipped and know what to do. If you think you can't still do it, or you don't have the chance, or you need guidance and support at a fee, kindly chat this number on the description or in my bio. Then also, in this video we are going to show you specific job links in companies, Canadian companies, with these job roles where you can apply to for these kind of jobs in Canada. But even before doing all these applications, first of all, you're supposed to have all these documents ready so that when you get a job, you can apply for visa. It doesn't make sense when you have the job but you don't have the documents to be able to apply for this visa. All right, so first of all, get all your 4 criteria documents ready. Then now start applying for jobs. The program will start 31st March. So subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. Share this video. On the next video, we are going to show you specific job, at least 10 job application links direct, where you can apply for jobs directly to companies in Canada. Thank you, and see you on the next one.